I don't know if you're ready for this. Are you ready? Are you sure? Because your life is going to be redefined. Your life as a South African is going to never be the same again. See, just a bite of our meat will have your dog speaking Afrikaans to you. It will have your budgie singing and whistling the tune of Shores Loza. And even the cat is going to want to be your friend. And as you cut it up and making that delicious plunky steak, it's going to be an all-out battle royale for people grabbing your meat first. You know what? Even though they brought some supermarket stuff, they're going to grab yours. But here's the thing, you're going to be the talk of the braai. You're going to live life as a true South African. And your life is going to be as beautiful as running rugby. Our meat brings people closer together, so if you want to taste this deliciousness, make sure you send a WhatsApp to Prima Provision and get your meat today.